Alright, just got back from town, got a trencher. We're going to start on doing the rest of the ditch. Also got some conduit. But anyways, we're going to start on the rest of that. Hopefully I can get that done as long as I don't run into any major rocks. I can. Did run into one that I didn't show you on the camera. It's a pretty good size rock. The one down there that I ran into last week, it's pretty solid, so I just went ahead and got a jackhammer. I'm gonna try to bust it up with that. That will probably be on the next episode. I don't know how long I'm gonna make this one, but anyways, I'm gonna get the trencher. We're gonna start doing that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it if you would. I don't know if the camera caught it just a while ago. I was trying to come up here and go back with it. It's at enough angle that the trencher's wanting to flip back. So I tried to go down and work my way up. Well, I got a little bit too far past some shrubs right there. Well, anyways, just past that big clump right there of shrubs. And it was too much of an incline for it to come back. So I had to go get, I tried the tractor, and I didn't like the lean of the hill, so I quit using it. I was afraid of flipping the tractor over. I went and got the truck, hooked the winch up to the trencher here. So that's what I'm going to use right now. I think I've got it pretty well lined up with the pole, so it should be in line with the ditch. I'll just use it, bump it. Hopefully it'll keep it held down. And I'll work my way down to where I need to be, and then I'll hook somewhere to it and just pull it back up. All right, here we go. I don't have it perfect yet, but I have it really close. I'm gonna have to do some with the pickaxe to get it right, because I can't get it by myself. I can't work the winch and try to pull it up where it needs to be at by myself at the same time. So my son's at work, my daughter's working, my wife's at work, and by the time they get home it'll be dark. So I'm just going to go with it and see how good I can get it. But I ended up having to hook the winch. I don't know if I'm pointing at it right or not, by that wheel. Anyways, I can't see the wheel in the camera. But anyways, I had to hook it there instead of in the center. That way when I back on it, it'll twist it. So it should end up getting it in line eventually. So we're going to give it a shot and see. I've only got a couple of more feet to do, literally about 6. Well, I might be able to get another 5 foot done. After that, the tires might end up falling into the track that I done with the excavator yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera off, finish it up. And as far as getting the trencher out of there, I should have enough wire in my winch. I'm gonna just slowly lower it down. If I'm able to finish out the trench by doing that, then I will. If not, if I don't think I can, I'll just, when my son, well, in the morning probably, when he gets up, we'll just tow it up the hillside using the winch. I'm tired. It's a lot of walking up and down. It's a lot of incline. All right, I'm gonna shut it off and then I'm gonna finish up. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy, stay healthy, be safe. God bless.